Are you tired of lumpy smoothies that just don't hit the mark? Here are the 5 best options I found and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Nutribullet Personal Blender. Let's kick things off with the Nutribullet Personal Blender. Priced at just $49.95, this compact little powerhouse caught my attention for its promise of making your smoothies a breeze. If you want effortless nutrition in no time, this is worth a serious look. This blender is designed to simplify your smoothie making experience. With a 600-watt motor, it turns fruits, veggies, and liquids into smooth, sippable nutrition in seconds. The 24-ounce cup is perfect for single servings, so no more extra dishes to wash. Plus, its intuitive design means you just push, twist, and blend, straightforward enough for anyone to use. The removable blades make cleaning easy, and you can toss the cups in the dishwasher without a second thought. Now, I'll be real with you. Some users have mentioned that it struggles with particularly tough ingredients like frozen fruit. Here's the thing though. For most everyday smoothies, it handles everything beautifully. If you're someone who frequently blends harder items, you might want to consider this, but for the average smoothie lover, it's a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you're a busy individual looking to whip up quick and healthy smoothies. Skip this one if you need to blend large batches or super hard ingredients regularly. For the price, it offers fantastic value for a personal blender. Now, if the Nutribullet's power concerns you, this next one takes a completely different approach with even more blending capacity. Product number 2, the Ninja Professional Blender, which comes in at $79.99. With its striking design and powerful features, I was immediately intrigued. If you want professional level blending power, this is definitely worth a look. This blender packs a punch with a 1,000-watt motor, capable of crushing ice and breaking down tough ingredients in seconds. The 72-ounce pitcher can make smoothies for the whole family, so no one is left out during breakfast. It features total crushing technology that pulverizes ice and whole fruits with ease, giving you the perfect consistency every time. Plus, the BPA-free pitcher is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. However, some users have pointed out that it can be a bit noisy during operation. Here's the thing, the power it delivers often comes with some sound, and if you're blending in the morning, you might need to warn your housemates. But if you want a blender that can handle whatever you throw at it, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is ideal for families or those who love hosting smoothie parties. Skip this one if you're looking for something compact or quiet. For the performance it offers, it's a great value for a professional blender. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want single servings. Product number 3, Ninja NutriPro Blender. The third contender is the Ninja NutriPro Blender, priced at $79.99. I found its combination of versatility and power really appealing. If you want single-serve convenience without compromising on performance, this one's worth checking out. With a 1,000 peak watt motor, this blender can tackle ice and tough ingredients in no time. It comes with 2 24-ounce cups, perfect for taking your smoothies on the go. The Auto IQ preset programs make blending as simple as pressing a button, delivering perfect results every time. Plus, the Pro extractor blades ensure you're unlocking maximum nutrition from your ingredients. On the downside, some reviews mention the cups can be a bit tricky to clean by hand due to their design. Here's my take. If you toss them in the dishwasher, it's a non-issue. Just make sure you're okay with that if you prefer manual cleaning. This is perfect for busy individuals who need quick, nutritious smoothies. Skip this if you often blend larger batches for multiple people. Given its dual cups and ease of use, it's a solid investment for anyone on the go. Now, if you're looking for something more compact, the next product might just be your best bet. Product number 4, the Magic Bullet Blender, priced at just $29.95. Its compact size and ease of use really caught my attention. If you want a budget-friendly option that still delivers on convenience, this one's a solid choice. The Magic Bullet features a 250-watt motor that's great for quick tasks like making smoothies, dips, and even grinding coffee. It comes with multiple cups and lids, so you can blend and store in the same container. Its high torque power base means you won't be left with chunks in your blend. It's all about efficiency here. However, it's not the most powerful option on the list, and some users find it struggles with tougher ingredients. Here's the thing. For simple smoothies and smaller jobs, it's fantastic. But if you're looking to blend frozen fruits regularly, you might want to upgrade. This is perfect for college students or anyone with limited kitchen space. Skip this if you need a heavy-duty blender for everyday use. For the price, it's an excellent entry-level blender. Now, if you want something that can handle bigger batches with ease, the final product on our list is just what you need. Product number 5, Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender, priced at $48.95. I was drawn to its classic design and powerful features. If you want a reliable blender that can handle larger servings, this one's definitely worth considering. With 700 watts of peak power and a 40-ounce glass jar, this blender is designed for performance. The patented wave action system ensures all ingredients are thoroughly blended for ultra-smooth results. And with 12 blending functions, you can tackle anything from smoothies to soups. Cleanup is easy too. The glass jar and blades are dishwasher safe, taking the hassle out of post-blend cleanup. Some users reported that it can be a bit bulky to store. Here's the thing, if you have the kitchen space to accommodate it, the performance and versatility it offers make it a worthy addition. This is perfect for families or anyone who enjoys whipping up larger batches. Skip this if you're looking for something portable or compact. Overall, for its price and features, it's a fantastic value. Now let's wrap up and compare our top picks. So, to recap, we've covered the Nutribullet for easy nutrition, the Ninja Professional for heavy-duty blending, the NutriPro for on-the-go convenience, the Magic Bullet for budget-friendly simplicity, and the Hamilton Beach for larger servings. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Ninja Professional blender because its power and versatility make it stand out in the smoothie making game.